Hi guys, it's me, Reese, Lewis, and
Jade here.
Jade S. And she's my cousin. So now we're gonna do the grill because we're allowed to cook. So I'm gonna set it down right here. So there's our chicken. Now we're gonna lift our grill up.
Yep.
A nice warm fire that I'm allowed to cook. Now I'm just gonna turn the heat down when I cook the chicken. So there, and so now I'm gonna grab my tongs, set them to the side. Here, you want to hold these?
Yeah, I'll hold them.
And now we're just
this is my cousin. It's Lewis.
and this of Jade. Grab the chicken.
So you let her cook on the grill?
No.
Liar. I'm allowed to. Can I do one?
You did one.
I wanted you like more.
Put that on your video.
What kind of chicken is this?
It says chicken thighs, boneless.
Let me do the last one.
No.
I mean, like, what kind of seasoning or marination is it?
I don't know.
Mystery.
I don't.
Mystery.
We got it from a store. Now this is my grill. I'm just kidding. I always wanted one of these though, because you have your fire coming out.
Mm-hmm.
See, there's a pan.
The boiled one.
No. Sometimes me and Jade make
Don't really have the flash on, so if you
our
can't
own
see
cooking
that
show.
good, I am very sorry.
How come you can't turn your flash on?
Because it only has a camera.
Oh, that sucks. I can have my flash.
It only has a camera. Right
Well, we're just gonna let the chicken cook, so we're gonna show you what else we're cooking inside. Shut up! So we have some green beans, steamy green beans. Yeah, nothing in there. And then here we have a timer of 13 minutes. We have potatoes.
I said the potatoes, right?
Yeah. That's it. So,
Alright, well, I'll show you the pictures down below.
my sister is doing dirt.
I suck.
She sucks.